Hey everybody, this video got number 3 out of my 6 blue Americans, so 1100 the long shackle, and see if we can pick through this thing here. Somebody mentioned I should talk more what's going on, so basically I always use heavier tension as opposed to light tension. Especially picking padlocks, and there's also an actuator spring that you're overcoming. And then on American locks, or I guess padlocks in general, when it's a smaller plug, if there is high pins in there, like long key pins, they don't have to go very far to hit the shear line, so you almost just kind of rub them. And the long ones will just almost, just go to shear line without really having to push that much because they're right there anyway. And then if some feel like they have some travel to them, when you do that, you got to go back through those and actually, I guess pay a little more attention to them. Okay, that just dropped me into a false set. Pin 4, I believe. So now I'm just going through each pin, pushing. I'm on number 3 now. Okay, and that feels like it's set, and I lost my false set. So that was a spool on 3 because I did get some kind of rotation. So now something else should be binding. Okay, that was number 2, was the last one. So that's cool. It's always fun when I get false sets. I enjoy it anyway. Okay, let's see if we can gut it. So I think 3 is going to be a spool. And these locks, they all seem to be brand new. They've got factory grease on them. Alright, then I can lock it back to the key. So there's our bidding on our key here, and it is going to be a 78364. So 3 is the shortest pin, so having a false set on that would make sense. Because, this spool's over like an 8 pin, usually you're not going to feel it. Okay, that was 2 that fell out. Okay, that should be 3 should be our shortest pin. This thing is like caked on with grease here. Makes the pins stick. Just grab a blank here and get them out. There's 4 and 5. Okay. Easy enough. Okay. And I have no idea what 1's going to be because the key pin's so long, so you don't really get a lot of feel. So 1 is actually a spool. 2 spool. 3 spool. That was the one I got a false set on. These 2 here you probably don't even feel, or well, not probably, I didn't feel them. 4 is a spool, and 5 is a serrated. So this one actually has 4 spools and 1 serrated. You don't see that a whole lot on these Americans, but Yeah, so when the key pins are all so long, the spools don't really come into play a whole lot. The spring set up here, so it's a cool one anyway that you don't see 4 spools too often. You generally won't ever see 5 because it can make it floppy. Like, oh, sometimes you will see 5 serrated though occasionally. And, there's a close up in here, so we got a little focus here. Yeah, so spool, 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 and serrated. And that'll do it for this video, and we'll talk to everybody later.